Thank you, lover ones. Once again, my name is Yakubu Hamza. You are highly welcome to this YouTube channel. If this is the first time I've seen this video, you are highly welcome. So on this YouTube channel, I'm going to show you how to grow your views from 200 views to 500 subscribers. So it does not have any other anything. It's just your consistency, bro. Keep on posting, especially if you're a new YouTuber. What you need is consistency. You need to be posting video every day. For the fact you are just a small YouTuber, just be posting. When you're not posting, you're not going to have views. On my channel, I have a video that is up to 5 million views. I have a single video that is up to 1 point something, and I have a video that is growing now. I think it's up to 800k now within the last 3 months. So it depends on what is working for you. So let me advise you. I've been on this platform for like 3 years. I had a lot of experience. So before we move, if this is your first time of seeing this video, please do like and subscribe. I have more amazing tips to give you. What I want to teach you on this YouTube channel is I want you to schedule your time. Let's say at least as a new YouTuber, you should be able to at least have like, let's say it's a uploading plan. Let's say you'll be posting twice daily or three times daily. So you should calculate 3 to 4 times. Let's say you upload twice today. You also upload like let's say 3 or 4 times in a week. So let's calculate 4. Okay, 3 times 9 is 30. You understand? Okay, 3 times 1 month is around 90 videos. So there's no how you post 90 videos, one will not go viral. That is one thing we fail to understand. For the fact you post a video and it's not giving you views does not mean you're not going to grow on YouTube. That is where some of us get it wrong. You understand? For the fact you post a video and it's not going viral, it does not mean you are not going to grow. It does not stop your growth on YouTube. I think it's a matter of time. What you are supposed to focus on is the kind of thumbnail you are going to post, and stay focused and just be posting. Have a mentor. Having a mentor is one of the most important aspects of YouTube. When you have a mentor, it's to help you a lot. But when you don't have a mentor, it's just like you're working and you don't have direction. You understand? Have a mentor, just design it and say, okay, I want to go towards this person way. So that is very, very important. It's another important aspect of YouTube. If you're a small YouTuber, consider subscribing, hit the subscription button, like the video, share it to your friends. I have more amazing tips to come on. You understand? Keep on uploading and always use your YouTube studio to check when your audience, when they are going to be online, so that you know how to prepare this video for them. Do you understand this? Anything you don't understand, you can comment on this video. I will answer you. I have more an amazing video to show you. I love you so much. I don't know where you are watching this video from, but you are highly welcome to this YouTube channel. We have a lot of tips to teach you, but when you stay with us, you are going to learn a lot. But when you don't like this video, you're not going to see me again. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I have more amazing videos to teach you. You can do it. A lot of people have done this on this channel, so don't give up. For the fact you are posting video and you're not having views, please do not give up. Keep on posting. It's a matter of time. See you in my next video. Don't touch that.